Hi everyone, it's Reborn Lover 143. Yeah, you can't really see him, so. What I'm doing. He won't finish today, for sure, I know that. So, yeah, that's my TV. It's awesome. My videos have not been uploading, so I'm sorry about every video that's been delayed. Yeah, I'm just watching. So yeah, I'm just watching this while it's cooking. So I will see you guys in a few. So I'm back. Here is Gabriel. He's really hot, so I'm not touching him. So, yeah. Let's see if I can show some like me. His hand. It smells like it's burning, but it's not. Hi.
And you're cooking?
Yeah, it smells like.
Cooking what?
What?
What are you cooking?
Okay.
I love this vein here.
I know, but that second one came out bad.
A little bit too much down here.
Some of them like.
This one's pretty good. Maybe just slightly less right there.
That's my mom critiquing. See ya.